This is not Pakistani police. You don't need to offer them. Yeah, no, you don't need to offer them. They snatch it.
First time I've been
I'll take it.
Never
Ma'am?
snatched anything.
No. That's why the people offer you. They love you and they offer you. ले जी ये यहाँ की पुलिस देखें, उन्होंने बड़ी ऑफर की, केक की, एक बंदे ने सिर्फ चाय लिया और बाकी लोग जो हैं उन्होंने थैंक यू कह दिया। इमरान खान के घर पे जो हमला हुआ था वो तो आपको याद ही होगा, और कई लोगों ने क्लेम किया था कि पुलिस जो है वो कुत्ते के बिस्कुट भी ले गई है। Have it. Tea and cake. Cake, yeah, of course. Why not? You had a hard day. Have you guys? It's good?
Very nice.
Yeah? All right. Guys, offer him a cake as well, innit? Yeah, please. Yeah, don't worry. This is not Pakistani police. You don't need to offer them. Yeah, no, you don't need to offer them. They snatch it.
First time I've been arrested while serving
Yeah, no, I'll take it.
Never
Ma'am?
snatched anything.
No. That's why the people offer you. They love you and they offer you because you're doing your duty with dignity.
Trying to.
Yeah.
cardamom, cinnamon, and it's
Yeah. It's called masala chai.
Honey.
Very nice.
Why you don't try, ma'am?
I'm actually allergic to cinnamon.
Oh my God, it's a bit bad luck for you. Why you don't try the cake then?
Well, I just don't want to. Thank you.
I just want somebody come and rid of his cake, eh?
You just want everyone to eat his cake.
Yeah, exactly. He's bringing this cake every protest, and he's taking back as well.
We got a couple of it.
All right, guys. Good luck, mate. Thank you very much. Thank you, man. All right, mate. Thank you. Thank you. ले जी ये यहाँ की पुलिस देखें, उन्होंने बड़ी ऑफ़र की, केक की, एक बंदे ने सिर्फ चाय लिया और बाकी लोग जो हैं उन्होंने थैंक यू कह दिया.
Next time make Kashmiri chai.
I can't make it too hard.
Is it?
Not everybody don't like that. I don't know why. It's nice. But
It's
not,
nice,
not
pink tea.
everybody- Yeah, pink tea.
It takes a lot to send someone, especially, I don't know his situation, if he's got diplomatic protection. Does he? Really?
Come on then, come on.
Come on, man. You got. Here we go. You're busy now. You got a customer, yeah? Here we go. Finally. Here we go.
Thank you.
You've asked your senior man.
Thank you.
Yes, can I try a bit too? Just a small bit. Half one.
Follow us on Instagram, TST.
Thank you.
I want a lot of bet officers following us on TST, innit? TST, guys.
बहरहाल इमरान खान के घर पे जो हमला हुआ था वो तो आपको याद ही होगा, और कई लोगों ने क्लेम किया था कि पुलिस जो है वो कुत्ते के बिस्कुट भी ले गई है, तो फ़र्क साफ ज़ाहिर है. This is time to wind up everything, yeah?
Basically.
Yeah. So what's the time for protest? 6 o'clock?
What's that?
Is the 6 o'clock the deadline?
There's no deadline.
Okay, so you just finished?
Yeah, the organisers just didn't want to do it.
All right, okay. It's been released for you, yeah? All right, guys. You had a hard day, huh?